Okay, another video. Another day, another video. Same day. Different video though, so let's make believe. Alright, in this one we are going to do creating new boards and subboards. Boards are these little thingies right here. And technically these as well. These are boards. All these little folders, I call them boards. And then subboards would be the boards that are within the boards. And then you like click it, and then, oh, look, subboard that has threads in it because you can create threads. Yeah. That's basically it. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So you start up on the home page, go to Admin Home, of course. Then you hit up the structure area, go to categories and boards. When you're in here, so you can create a new category. The name, which is how the name will appear in the navigation tree in the admin area, but this is the name that people see, is the display name. And then you can change who can access it. Sometimes we like to do custom, and then we just check off all of our groups, and then we check off all the groups but don't allow guests, because don't tend to do that for categories. We like to keep guests out. So yeah, it's members and staff only. Oh, all right. And then once you have a category created, you can create a board. This is a board. So to create one of these, you can either hit this little arrow or hit the create new board. And then if you do that, then you gotta pick where you want to put it. You can put it in any of these. Once you've made it, sorry, yep, you gotta give it a name. So, boopity, so you give it a name, then you pick a display name, usually the same thing, and then you add a description. Labels, we use these for clan boards, because we can do like a clan list and all that. Different labels that people can apply. Those are great. If you want to give people a password, enter it. If you want to give them a redirect URL, so if you're working on a board but you don't want to make it disappear because people will freak out, and you just have it redirected, redirect them somewhere else. Show announcements, disabling your post counts, disable posting, default falling, which this is threads set to falling won't be bumped by new posts, so we always want to keep that off because it's a pain. Hide the board, private board, where people can only see their own posts and all that. Then you change who can view it, who can moderate it, and all that jazz. I'm not actually going to create that. And that's how you create categories, boards, and subboards. It's pretty. Oh, and you can duplicate them. Boop. That's actually. And then this say delete them. Delete. Make sure I'm doing the right one. Delete. Oh, thank God, that would have been bad if I deleted this one. But so that's actually really good for leadership boards, because you can just keep duplicating them, and then change the name. That way they all have the same thing. So if you have a bunch of clans, what you can do is you can just duplicate. That way you don't have to go through and keep doing the labels and all that stuff, because that's no fun. And yeah, that's it. Boop.